Non-calculator question 13. Now, Venn diagrams, remember that's just like these two rugby balls inside a rectangle. So the first rugby ball is comedy films, the second rugby ball is science fiction films. Now, the secret here, and it's pretty straightforward if you remember this, is start off with the overlap. The people who like both comedy films and science fiction films, and you can see that's the number highlighted in red. 5 like both, so that goes in the middle. So must do that first. Now let's have a look about this pink number here. People who only like comedy films, not both. Now we're told 13 of the students like comedy films. Now that includes those who like science fiction as well. So we need this whole rugby ball to add up to 13. Yet we've got 5 already. So this part of the rugby ball is going to be 13 take away 5, which is 8. Because what we're saying is 8 add 5, those are together like comedy films. 13, they like comedy films. Okay, 5 of them happen to like science fiction films as well, but so be it, they still like comedy films. So 8 and 5, those are the 13 people who like comedy films. So that's where that 8 came from. Similar idea with this green number here. We know 16 like science fiction films. So we need to have a total of 16 in the science fiction rugby ball. Well, we've got 5 of them accounted for already here, so how many are going to go over here? Well, 16 take away 5, which is 11. So again, just make sure you're clear. 5 and 11, those are all inside the science fiction rugby ball. 5 add 11 equals 16. 16 people like science fiction films. Okay, 5 of those also like comedy films, but that's not the point. 16 together like science fiction. Now only one final bit to do now. How many people have we accounted for so far? 8 and 5 add 11 is 24. Now we're told there are 26 students altogether. So there must be 2 students who don't like comedy films or science fiction films. So to get your final mark, you must have this 2 here outside the rugby balls but inside the rectangle.